On January 1st, 2024, a powerful earthquake struck Japan's Noto Peninsula, resulting in significant devastation. Dashcam footage from Suzu City vividly captured the tremor's intensity, showing buildings collapsing and roads buckling. In one harrowing scene, a cyclist narrowly escapes falling debris as structures crumble around him. The disaster claimed nearly 470 lives and caused extensive damage to infrastructure. This footage underscores the earthquake's destructive force and the urgent need for disaster preparedness in seismic regions. On January 6, 2025, severe weather struck King Abdulaziz International Airport in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Powerful winds and heavy rain caused cargo containers to be tossed across the tarmac, resembling tumbleweeds. These conditions led to flight delays, as crews worked tirelessly to ensure safety amid the ongoing storm. The Saudi General Authority of Civil Aviation issued warnings about the severe thunderstorms, which triggered red alerts across the region.
Shit.
This shocking footage comes from Port Vila, the capital of Vanuatu, where a devastating 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck on December 17, 2024. The quake left more than 14 people dead and over 200 injured. In this video taken near the popular Nambawan Cafe, people can be seen fleeing as buildings collapse around them. The powerful tremors caused widespread destruction, leaving many trapped under rubble. Rescue teams are working around the clock, searching for survivors and providing aid to the injured. This harrowing footage captures the catastrophic explosion at the Pemex natural gas plant in Reynosa, Mexico on September 18, 2012. The blast, triggered by an accidental gas leak, unleashed towering flames that engulfed the facility within seconds. Tragically, at least 26 workers lost their lives and numerous others were injured. The sheer speed and intensity of the inferno left workers with little time to react, highlighting the devastating impact of industrial accidents. This alarming footage captures a construction worker's hair catching fire during welding operations. The incident occurred when sparks ignited the worker's hair, unbeknownst to him and his nearby colleague. It took approximately 10 seconds before the worker noticed the flames, likely due to the smell of burning hair. Fortunately, he managed to extinguish the fire without injury. This event underscores the critical importance of wearing appropriate protective gear, such as flame-resistant helmets to prevent such accidents on construction sites. This tragic footage captures the moment a massive tree collapsed in Bali's sacred monkey forest sanctuary on December 10, 2024. The incident resulted in the deaths of 2 tourists, a 32-year-old French woman and a 42-year-old South Korean woman, and injured a 3rd visitor. The collapse occurred around midday during a sudden heavy rainstorm accompanied by strong winds. CCTV footage shows visitors walking leisurely in the forested park when some suddenly turn and run, moments before a loud cracking sound is heard, followed by the tree crashing down, blocking a paved path. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, a popular tourist destination in Ubud, is home to over 1,200 long-tailed macaques and features 115 different species of trees, some considered sacred. The sanctuary has been temporarily closed following the incident, and authorities are investigating the exact cause of the tree's collapse. This alarming incident occurred on Saturday, November 2, 2024 at 6:15 p.m. in Gundekesi, Schirbrock, Lower Saxony. A 55-year-old resident answered the door to a man dressed as a parcel delivery driver. Upon opening, the imposter attempted to force his way in using a taser, while an accomplice armed with restraints emerged from hiding. The resident's swift and forceful resistance thwarted the invasion, causing the attackers to flee after 9 seconds. Despite an extensive police search, the perpetrators remain at large. Authorities commend the residents' quick reaction and urge the public to provide any information that could lead to the suspect's capture. This tragic footage captures the moment of a devastating explosion at the petroleum propane gas station in Fergana, Uzbekistan on December 17, 2024. The blast resulted in 4 fatalities, including children, and left several others injured. Local residents had previously expressed concerns about the gas station's proximity to residential areas, but their warnings went unheeded. In the aftermath, 5 individuals have been arrested as part of a criminal investigation into the incident. This shocking video was captured in Nova Era, Minas Gerais, on December 21, 2024. A 62-year-old woman was crossing Dr. Jose Moreira Avenue when a rope came loose from the back of a truck and wrapped around her leg. In a horrifying moment, she was dragged several meters along the street. Thankfully, bystanders quickly alerted the driver, who stopped the vehicle and immediately assisted her, taking her to São Jose Hospital. Despite the terrifying incident, the woman suffered only minor injuries. This tragic incident occurred at Maruti Industries mangrove plant in Surat, Gujarat on December 30, 2024. CCTV footage shows a large crane attempting to relocate heavy machinery when the ground beneath it gave way. The crane toppled over, its front section crashing onto a smaller crane parked nearby. The smaller crane was completely crushed, resulting in the immediate death of its 22-year-old operator, Shahid Pathan. Another worker narrowly escaped being hit by the large crane. Local authorities have registered an FIR and initiated an investigation into the incident.